actually put the key in yesterday and put this in the more of the open position so that the deoxy could actually get in while it was, you know, a bit levered open. Hasn't done much. Well, I mean, I was hoping that I was going to turn the key and Bob's your uncle, poppity pop. Now, someone suggested try a hammer. I did try that, but I just didn't put it in the video. I'll give it a light tap. But I can promise you, you will see this open today. Obviously, now you can see the outside. That's shouldn't be any rust left there now. You can see this moving, look. I did actually put a pick in here and check the pins. This is one for the lock picking lawyer. And I've had them before where you get to that point and then you just have to give it a bit of a help and open, and it opens up. But this one, maybe it's the wrong key, eh? Who knows? But those pins definitely moved. So we'll give it some more we'll give it some more help. Where is the? It's that side there. That's, interesting. I mean, if you all shout out, if you think there's different ways up and try, I might psychically hear something. Or not, hey. Do you think I should try some heat on it? Oh, different click then. Maybe I should give it a little knock downwards. I mean, you're in it, the ride for me here, with me here. It's I'm going to read you the advert over the top of this somewhere. It actually works, but not in a smooth way. It's demanding some agitation to open or close. So I think we'll try a bit of heat on it, shall we? I don't know whether we get it a clean up first, and maybe I'll just run it over the wheel again and see what happens. So this is the colour it comes out when you give it a wire wheel after it's been in deoxy. Right, so now it's had the vibration of the cleaning machine running for it. Do you think it'll open or not? Here's the key. So if this doesn't work, which I didn't expect it to, I'm going to try a bit of heat on here. Alright. So, just give it a little bit of heat, how can I put it? Just enough heat to melt the brass. Okay, it's a little bit hot, just a little bit. Something's on fire over there, didn't notice that. Right, I'm going to hold it with these and try the key. Now it's a little bit hotter in there. Maybe I've moved something, maybe I'll help it work. Nope. Another go with the keys, see what happens, shall we? If I made the keys hot. Oh, it's all stiffening up in there now. It's getting there, I think. It's getting there, people. So, if at first you don't succeed, you might just need to give it a little tiny bit of persuasion. Not too much though, because you don't want to break it. Now just give that a little stretch, you see? It's definitely looser now, isn't it? Hey, I knew that would come open. That key was just a little bit sticky. Amazing. Look at that. Lovely, that, isn't it? So, for your information, the bit releasing was here. And it didn't want to release. Right. Have a look in there. There it is. The offending little bugger. But that's alright now, we've got the key sorted, isn't it? Back. Can you see that there? That's back. And we turn the key. And it's gone. See? Lovely. So yeah, just a bit stiff. That's all. Bloke was right. That's it, that's gone right. So now if we close that and lock it, that should be as good as, well, it is kind of locked, right? So now we open it. There we go. Look at that. Absolutely lovely. Now I broke the key. Bollocks. going to use that as well on my shed. Oh, look, now it's working good. That's typical now, the fucking key's broke, isn't it? Freed that right up. Locked. No. What's a special padlock, isn't it? You don't need a key for it. Look, unlocked. Well, do you know what? We can call that fucked. And there it is now, all ready and fixed. Look, the padlock, don't need a key. Unbelievable, yeah. Padlock, don't need a key for it. That'll go on eBay. £1. That made a fun video, didn't it, eh? I hope you all enjoyed it and had a laugh. Because that's what it's about, isn't it? One of you smiled, my job for the day is done. If you don't like the language, don't fucking watch. That's all for now. Coming up tomorrow is a parcel unwrapping. Coming up Saturday is a parcel unwrapping from Ben. A massive haul of 44 Barco spanners. Some of them over 100 years old. It cost me a lot of money. Sunday, back to normal service. Okay. That is all for now. Have a good day.